I'm Rachel, I create colourful paintings and I make tutorials so that you can learn how to paint them too. In this video I'm going to show you how I painted this colourful dog portrait. I love painting colourful animals, so painting this multicoloured dog was really fun. As always, this is a sped up version, but if you would like to watch the full length video tutorial then just sign up to my Patreon, which is Rachel Froud Art. There's also a link in the description that you can click. I started out by painting the background using yellow, pink, purple and blue paints. I started with a paintbrush, but then I moved on to a palette knife to create some texture. I'm using acrylic paints to paint this colourful dog, which is perfect as they dry quickly, allowing me to work in multiple layers. I then started painting the first layer of the dog's fur, starting with the highlights using white and yellow paint. This layer is just to mark out where I want the colours to go, so it looks a bit messy at the moment. Here I'm just adding a bit of texture by painting in some fur lines. Now I'm painting the eyes using mainly black and brown paint. I love painting eyes, it really brings the painting together and it's always the focal point of my paintings. I usually spend quite a long time painting the eyes to make sure I get them just right. I love painting dogs' noses because they're so cute. I make sure to refer to my reference photo a lot while painting noses to make sure the shape and the shadows are in the right places. To finish the painting, I add another layer of fur, this time increasing the contrast and making the colours more vibrant. I hope you enjoyed this colourful dog painting. Remember to subscribe to see more art tutorials.